welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and today I am going to tell you how to file an RTI. Before we begin, let me tell you that the Right to Information Act of 2005 confers on every citizen a right to demand any information from the public authorities. Through an RTI, one can get copies of government documents such as records, reports, papers, file notings, status of passports, etc. And even email communications and data held in electronic form has to be made available to citizens upon an RTI application. Because the government is duty bound to do so, and it can even be penalized in failing to provide information to citizens. For matters which are state-oriented, such as construction of a road, problems with irrigation, or street light issues, the RTI application is to be filed with the state authorities and with the central government if the matter is related to the centre. Today we will elaborate on the filing of the RTI with the central government. There are two ways in which the government can be approached for information. Number 1. An application can be filed with the Public Information Officer of the department concerned, or the Central Information Commission can be approached for the same. Now let's take a look at what are the steps to file an RTI. The first step to file an RTI with the department of the central government would be to identify from which department the information has to be obtained. For instance, anything related to income tax should go to the income tax department, or defense related query should go to the Ministry of Defense. The next step would be writing your RTI application in the prescribed format. The format prescribed, however, is not mandatory, and an application on plain paper in Hindi or English language can be filed. The third step is to make payment of the prescribed fee for your application. And the last and final step is to send your RTI application via speed post or registered post and wait for the government's response. And if you don't get a reply within 30 days of sending the application, you can approach the Central Information Commission. For more such information, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching Verdictum.